one. So I got this unit from Asteria Hair. They sent me their 24-inch 180% density straight hair wig, and they also sent me some goodies. But look at this hairline. It is beautiful. It looks so natural. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, middle part, 13x4 lace. It doesn't have to be a middle part. You can also put it as a side part, but it comes as a middle part, and this is just beautiful. And you guys will see how I put it on, how natural it looks. This is more of an unboxing right now, so this is all the stuff that the wig comes with. And yeah, it just comes with a lot of really cute stuff. This is just a short clip of me putting on the wig and also cutting the lace. I'm terrible at cutting lace on camera, so I'm gonna just do like a short quick version of it, but then I'm gonna go into detail off camera. So if it looks different, that's why. But I do go in a zigzag motion. I'm literally just going in with a wig spray. I'm not gonna do glue today. I actually did a little bit of glue to lay down the edges of this unit when I was done, but I didn't use too much because I'm not trying to do that tonight. It's not like a full-on install that I'm gonna use for like a few days or anything. I'm just doing it for tonight. I'm also using another band that Asteria Hair has given me in the past. Like, you know, I've worked with them several times before. The hair is just super silky, super soft. After washing it, that's how the texture is. Laying everything down. Ooh, I can't speak. Now we're gonna use a hot comb, and I'm gonna wait till this heats up, and we're gonna do the baby hairs in the meantime. So, yeah, Asteria Hair sent me this band to kind of just lay everything down, and it did it pretty good. There's still some pieces right here, but I'm gonna lay baby hairs down really quick. And then also this is just like an extra probably, or melt the lace better. And I could lay down the band more, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Clearly I'm running out of hair mousse. So this is how it looks washed. I like not having to keep it bone straight because I hate when my hair is super flat, and this hair has the right amount of texture to it still, and so okay. Right, so I'm done with that. This is how the hair looks from the side. This is how the hair looks from the back. Other side. And then front. Alright you guys, so I'm back with a new video, and I'm doing this video, or this hair video today, with Asteria Hair. I kind of already showed you guys what they sent me beforehand, but it does come with lashes, an edge melting band. I used my other Asteria Hair melting band, but this comes with it, and it also comes with the bag that they sent it in. So let's go ahead and go over the specs of this unit. I did show you guys kind of how I did the install and kind of just like the close-up of the lace. If you guys are seeing right now, this is insane. They did such a great job on the quality, the lace quality. This is a 13x4, 24-inch, and 180% density. The hair is extremely soft. I've already washed this hair once just because I like to wash my hair before or wash my units before I do my reviews, so you guys can kind of get like a realistic view of how everything is looking. But this is how the hair looks. Very, very soft. And honestly, like, I just feel like it fits me really well too, as far as like the thickness, the texture of it. It's not just super bone straight. It has like a bit of what's the word, body to it. Like it's not just completely straight either. But yeah, like look at how awesome this is. Knots are already pre-bleached as well. So they did a really good job. I want to go ahead and get into the specs as far as the price of this unit. It kind of, honestly, this hair kind of gives me a more like relaxed hair, or like with the perm type of look, which is, it looks more natural to me. And that's how it looks from the side. And this is how the hair looks from the back. Really nice and really, really thick. But yeah, let's look at the pricing of this unit. So 24 inches, 13 by 4 HG, yeah, 13 by 4 HG lace. And this is actually HG lace. It's not just fake HG, which I've seen before, and people or companies usually do lie, but I've worked with Asteria hair several times and I've never had any issues, and I've also ordered from them without having to do a review, and I have the same quality. It was really good and it's really affordable. So I went for the natural straight. They also have bone straight, which is $10 extra. But the natural straight is $340, $453, and the bone straight is $355.09. They also have Afterpay, Klarna, and PayPal to split it into 4 different payments, all interest-free, and it's easier to pay for. And this unit goes up to 40 inches. So yeah, it's really good, you guys. And you can get it up to 250% density, and it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to process. And I don't think I really did anything like with the bangs. I think I kind of just went in myself and just like layered it a little bit. But other than that, that's all that I had to do. I straightened it a little bit with my hot comb. Otherwise, I really do like this natural straight look. It's super pretty, but this hair is thick. Like there's still hair in the back here too. There's a lot going on though. Really, really pretty. I usually just put a little bit of it behind my ear. And again, this is a close-up of how the lace is looking, you guys. It's just super realistic. But yeah, that's all that I really have to say about this unit. I think that Asteria Hair did a great job. It's not my first time working with them. And I took photos at the beginning and they just look so freaking cute. But I hope that you guys like this install and the unboxing of this unit and just how everything kind of was put together. Be sure to go ahead and follow Asteria Hair. I'm gonna put all of their links down below, as well as a direct link to this wig. So be sure to go ahead and check them out. Okay, bye.